Should you be making 3-minute YouTube shorts, and is YouTube gonna promote 3-minute shorts in the algorithm more? Well, here's the truth about it. The question isn't really about making 3-minute YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts and YouTube videos in general of every single length can and have performed historically on YouTube. So that's not really the issue here. The cool thing about 3-minute, or rather up to 3-minute YouTube shorts, now that this new feature has rolled out, is the fact that now if you have a video that is 1 minute and 20 seconds, you don't have to agonize about how to cut it down to under 60 seconds to make it fit as a YouTube short. It means that if a short that you wanted to do in terms of storytelling, or giving 5 tips as quickly as possible, or giving the shortest book summary ever, happen to take you 90 seconds, it's okay for that to be a YouTube short. It's also okay for it to live on every other short form platform. That's the key here. It's going to make it easier than ever to repurpose your short form videos across YouTube, X.com, formerly Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reels, wherever it needs to be and wherever you can get paid for it. So now you're not making YouTube shorts that don't finish and cut off too early at the end. You're not making YouTube shorts that are forced and that feel too rushed, or where you had to speed up the audio or dialogue to get them in. You're now able to be thoughtful and more intentional about your videos and give them the time they need while still keeping it as short as it can be. So that means a short gets to be not a second longer or a second shorter than it needs to be to deliver value for the viewer. And that's the important key to YouTube Shorts in the first place. So if you're asking yourself, do I need to be making longer shorts? It's not about whether you need to. It's the fact that you get to make longer shorts. It's the fact that you get to deliver a great experience for the viewer without compromising now. It means that if you're a creator who has been doing a YouTube music channel, and you've been doing individual music tracks that were already under 3 minutes, now, instead of having to figure out how to make a 60-second or less version of your song or sample of your song, you can literally just have the entire song as a YouTube short and get more exposure for it and get more plays and streams and listens on Spotify and get more people to know about your music, because now you have this potential reach or virality for the complete song. That is amazing for you. That is a really big difference. So you get to take advantage of it. If you're somebody who is doing a 6-tip series and you were struggling to get 6 tips in under 60 seconds and it needed to be 65 seconds or 80 seconds, congratulations. You get to do that now and stop struggling and stop having to struggle bust your way for how am I gonna cut this down and make this work? Or having content that you made for another platform and it happened to be 90 seconds, congratulations. You get to repurpose all of that content to YouTube Shorts without any frustrations. So it's not about whether you should, it's about the fact that you get to. It's an opportunity and you should take advantage of it. Also, spoiler alert, with this, I've already seen anecdotal evidence from creators that have been posting on X.com, formerly Twitter, that YouTube RPMs seem to be increasing on YouTube Shorts. We'll see if that continues to be the trend. I've always said that in the future, long term, as more advertisers come to YouTube in general and more people explore the vertical video format for their brands, that we could look for RPMs to go up. I've been on YouTube a long time. RPMs back in my day, RPMs were trash. If I had my peak views right now from back in the old days with the RPMs I have today, I'd be making $120,000 minimum a year from AdSense alone with just 500,000 views a month. Of course, I'm in a higher RPM niche. But my point is that there's nothing but opportunity from this. I think you should be considering how you can take advantage of it and not feel freaked out or stressed and think you have to make a short 2 minutes and 50 seconds to be able to beat the algorithm. As I told you earlier, videos of almost every single length you can think of, all the way from 40 seconds to 4 hours, have been able to historically perform on YouTube. Make the best video possible, make the best video you can with what you have, where you are, and make sure that it has value for the viewer and as creating a good viewer experience, a quality video that delivers viewer enjoyment. If you can accomplish that, then your content can be successful, whether it's shorts, whether it's vertical live streams, whether it's vertical full-length videos, whether it's traditional good old-fashioned YouTube videos from 4 minutes all the way to 4 hours, okay? That's all it really comes down to. Get people to enjoy the video enough to watch it more, watch more videos from you, stay on YouTube longer, share the videos, bring more people to the platform. All of that benefits you. Don't worry about beating the algorithm. Worry about satisfying the audience and all will be well. Question of the day. Do you feel a little bit better and a little bit less anxious about YouTube Shorts? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're checking out the other stuff we have on the YouTube channel. Also, if you're a new or small creator, check out our free Creator Foundations course. It's free. You can check it out, linked in the description down below. Stay awesome, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.